What's going on, guys? It is a gorgeous Friday afternoon, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to go and check out a local place called Gibson Hills. So this place, Gibson Hills, is actually a privately owned piece of property, and from what I understand, I'm gonna have to do some more research on that, but from what I understand, the family were big outdoor enthusiasts, and they basically just opened it up to the public, and they let people hike and walk and mountain bike there and do all kinds of things. So we are here in Gibson Hills in New Tecumseth. We're going to be checking out this hiking trail. It's not huge. I think it's about a couple kilometers, 2 or 3 kilometers, but it's supposed to be really nice. So we're going to check it out. First video on the channel pretty much. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. And be sure to hit that like button at the end of the video. Super gorgeous area. Super gorgeous day, as you guys can see. The path kind of splits off into a couple sections, so we're going to go this way. Super peaceful walk. You see some of the trees are starting to kind of change colors. Definitely leaves falling. Probably another 2 weeks or so before we get full color, I think, here in terms of leaves and whatnot. Trail kind of opened up for a bit. There are these little spots where it kind of opens up and then kind of goes right back into the forest, which is kind of nice. During the summer, it might give you kind of a break from all the bugs and stuff. Walking through these forests is probably a lot worse, but today not the case. Today's super nice out. Doesn't look like much, but there is some big hills here, I guess, hence the name Gibson Hills. You might be able to get a better idea of how we're about halfway up this hill here, but it's nice through a very shaded area, as you guys can see. Pretty steep though, actually, to be honest. Just opens way up. I have a feeling we're gonna get a really nice view here. And I was right. Look at that. Not too shabby. Makes it worth that climb. Up here we also came across this little teepee that somebody's built. Kind of cool. Once again, a great view. Obviously someone knew that because they put this bench down here. Overall, it's a really nice area, to be honest. No garbage, trails are clean, well marked. Well worth the visit, I think, so far. But we're gonna trudge on. I think we're about halfway. It looks like there's two trails, one that continues along farmers' fields over here, and then another one that goes down into the forest there. So I think we're gonna go down into the forest. So it looks like we're getting the other side of the hill on this side. You can see pretty steep downhill, so hence Gibson Hills. One thing I've noticed about this place is the diversity of trees and like unique areas. Like we're in some section here now where there are all these thin little kind of maple trees, as you can see. At least I think they're maple. So I have a feeling we're coming kind of back towards the start. This section opens up, kind of looks a bit familiar, kind of in the sort of like the where that we started. Nice little field area here. So overall, really nice area. On the difficulty scale, we'll rate in maple syrups. We're gonna give it 2 out of 10 maple syrups on the difficulty scale. But if you're new to Cumseth, it's definitely worth the visit. Nice short little hike, probably take you about half an hour, 40 minutes if you're fast. Good excuse to get out and get some sun, some fresh air. And yeah, it's a privately owned place, so if you come, you know what they say, take only pictures, leave only footprints. But appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to hit that like button, follow the channel, it helps me out. Brand new channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.